Hello everyone, my name is Alice.
Hello everyone, my name is Marian. Have a look at our beautiful silk scarves. It's eco print with onion skins. Would you like to learn how to do one?
Today we are going to show you how to make a beautiful and easy eco print using onion skins.
Like these two. Let's start with the materials.
Silk scarves,
Alum as a mordant,
plastic or cellophane paper,
the plastic bowl with water,
rubber bands,
or cotton strings,
and onion skins.
onion skins. So first we prepare the silk. Let's put 1 teaspoon of alum inside of the bowl with water. Mix well to dissolve the alum. Okay. And now we put our scarves inside of the bowl. So let's leave the silk for 5 minutes inside of the bowl.
Now we can take out our scarves
From the water,
squeeze well,
very well.
very well. Okay.
And now we can lay our fabrics on the table. Let's try to lay them flat on the table. Because afterwards we're going to put our onion skins on our silk scarves. And now let's start with the funny part. We are going to put our onion skins on our scarves. Just like a rain. Look at that. Of course we have to put onion skins a little bit everywhere. So then we'll have a nice color.
Oh, oops.
Oh, thank you. Thank you some more. And now that we've spread all our onion skins, let's put the cellophane paper on our silk scarves. We do that because then the color will appear more, will be more beautiful like this. Let's start rolling our scarves. See, like this.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start doing this part of the job.
We have to roll
Yes.
as tight as possible.
Yes, we have to roll it as tight as possible. Mine is not so tight, but, well, we'll see. Anyway, it will be beautiful, it's always beautiful. When we do something with a heart, then it's always good and beautiful. Now we put it like this, and we roll it like this, in small parts, We want to do a sort of bundle, little bundles. You see the little packages? And now we use our rubber bands or our cotton strings to tie them up. So we need some cotton strings, don't we? Oh, good. Okay, so now we'll use some cotton strings. And we also tie our bundles very firmly, you know, like this. Thank you. Now we've got in bags, you see.
So our onion rolls are ready to steam.
And let's put our bundles inside of the steaming pan and let's leave them for about 1 hour steaming inside of the pan. And now in the meanwhile, let's have some lunch. Good lunch with this sandwich
Pão de queijo.
and a cake, pão de queijo, orange juice. Here are our bundles. They're ready now. They're ready to be opened. Let's open our bundles now.
It's too hot.
Yes, we've got to be very careful. It's still very, very hot.
Wow.
Oh, nice, beautiful.
Now we have to wash and iron.
Yes, and then you know what will happen too? The color will be brighter. Oh, look at the result.
After washing and ironing.
It's so beautiful.
Nice colors.
Nice colors, golden colors. So, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. I see you next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.